This is the first video in the series of multiplication and division process. In this video, we are going to take a look at division, sharing sets equally. Here are some of the vocabulary words you're going to hear. Feel free to pause the video so that you can read them over. This is a little poster that talks about the words each and every. This poster shows you some of the ways to say one. Pause the video and look it over. Here's our first problem. Ms. Bell has a total of 72 markers in 9 packages. There are an equal number of markers in each package. Write an equation to find m, the number of markers in each package. So they want us to write an equation. To find m, the number of markers in each package. Let's go ahead and fill in our detail section. So we know that Ms. Bell has some markers. In fact, there's 72 markers. So let's go ahead and draw that part out. There's 72 markers, and there's 9 packages. 9 packages. These dots right here represent that it's going on and on and on, forever and ever. The same things repeating over and over and over again. So 1 through 9. And so what we're looking for is how many are in each of those packages. So we've got total, each, groups, and what we're looking for is our each. And just kind of as a little note here, we can write this as groups times each equals our total. Total divided by groups equals each, and total divided by each equals groups. So which of those are we doing? We're looking for each, so we're doing this one right here. So we can tell that this is a division problem based on our picture. The total's on top, so we know how many groups, and we're looking for how many are in each group. Pretty much any time we know the total, it's going to be either subtraction or division. Because we have equal sets, it must be division. So we set up our equation as so. 72 divided by 9 equals m, or we can write it as m equals 72 divided by 9. We don't know which way they're going to write it, so we're going to we'll write it both ways just in case the way we write it initially isn't the way that they write it. Okay, so how did we solve this problem? We found the quotient of 72 and 9 to find m, the number of markers in each package. Okay, and let's take a peek at another problem. So again, we have Ms. Bell. She has 72 markers, but this time each package contains 8 markers. So we need to write an equation to find p, the number of packages Ms. Bell has. So they want us to write an equation to find p, the number of packages. We'll reread the problem to fill in our detail section. So who are we talking about? Ms. Bell. What does she have? Packages of markers. And draw a picture of it. So she has 72 markers. And we know there's at least one package with 8 in it. And those ellipses again, those 3 dots. We don't know how many packages there are of 8. So once again, I'll write my total, each, and groups. And this time we're looking for groups. So again, we know it's division based on our picture. The total's on top. We know the number in each package, and we're looking for the number of groups. Can we know the total so we can be assured that it's a division problem? So we'll set it up like this. P equals 72 divided by 8, or we'll write it as 72 divided by 8 equals P. Okay, again, I'm going to write it both ways just in case the way we write it isn't the way that the test writers write it. How did we solve this? I divided 72 by 8 to find P. If you have any questions, please write it down on your whisk and bring it to me.